So what's happening YouTube today? We're looking at the DREO's PolyFan 704S. It is a air circulator that is app powered, so it's smart pedestal air circulator. Here we go. First things first, if you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. Subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Let's go ahead and check this out. Now, I love the looks of the DREO air circulator. Here, as you could see, it moves smoothly and it has a wide range of angle that you could put on. It's also made out of plastic, but it's super light if you want to move it around. The bottom base is a bit heavier as well, so it won't topple over if you ever push it or bump it. The air purifier as well is on this motorized arm, which you can control via app, and it has a nice piano black keys finish. The grill of the fan is also made out of plastic, but it is small enough so that your children's fingers won't fit in there if they ever try, making it safe for everyone to use. The body of the air circulator also has this clip that you can move around if you want to bring it higher or lower. And the clip is great to carry the remote so that you have a place to put your remote in and you won't lose the remote. It also has side controls right here, which is touch sensitive, so there's no actual buttons, but you can touch it with your fingers. Really cool, very nice and sleek design here. And if you change anything on the settings, it will be shown up here in a little screen. Really cool as well. It's almost integrated with the fan. Now, the app that we're looking at today is the DREO app. Basically, I just downloaded this on the App Store, created an account, and added the air purifier. Super smooth. It's super easy as well because it's connected to the Wi-Fi. In the app, you'll be able to change the speed of the fan. You can also change the oscillation side to side or up and down. You can also put it on auto mode if you need that, or if you want to put it on turbos. If it's really hot in your house, you'll be able to do that in this app as well. I personally like using auto mode because it actually detects the ambient temperature and you'll be able to set it on certain temperatures as well. For me, there's air condition in this house, but sometimes the air circulation is not very good. So I use the fan for that and it helps me a lot. As you can see here, this is the temperature block. Each block you can customize to whatever temperature you want. If you want it progressing higher or lower, you can do that as well. Or you could just have it set on automatic so that it will do it for you. Whatever the case may be, it's fully customizable. You can also add panel sound if you want to turn that on, adaptive brightness, or you can have it child lock so your kids won't be able to touch it. You can be able to only control it via app or remote by that point, or you can calibrate the oscillation as well. One of the unique features with the DREO app as well is that you can customize the oscillation, but not just by angle, but also isolating it on certain angles. In my opinion, this is super useful if you don't want to move your fan and you just want a certain part of the fan to go on a certain location or certain angle. You'll be able to do that, customize it to whatever you want. As mentioned earlier, you can also do that via vertical motion as well. This air circulator, you'll be able to have it angled down or all the way up. So you can have it so that it is tilting, it's oscillating side to side and also up and down on a certain angle. Now, if you want it to point in a certain direction, you'll be able to use the app to do that as well. As you can see here, you could just drag your finger along on where you want it to point and it'll point there. For me, that's really awesome. First time I've seen that. Super cool by DREO. So this comes with a remote as well, and basically be able to control the fan straight from the remote. Comes with side controls as well on the stem of it. Has a very nice sleek design. It is all plastic built. It also oscillates up to 150 degrees. It's super quiet as well. Now if it's really hot in your place, you can use the turbo mode, as you can see here. Oh yeah. Now this can also tilt up and down, which is really cool. There it is. You can also do that automatically if you wanted to, or adjust it to the right angle that you want. It also has auto mode, which will detect the ambient temperature of your place so that you'll be able to have the right temperature that you want. Everything is app powered as well, and it's smart control via Alexa and Google. So thanks for watching, everyone. I hope I was able to help you on a brand new smart air circulator from DREO. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. Go ahead and check out the channel as well, subscribe and hit the like button. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.